In the Middle Ages, sneezing wasn't just gross, it was terrifying. People truly believed that when you sneezed, your soul could shoot out of your nose. And what happens when your soul leaves your body? Well, demons might be lurking nearby, just waiting to snatch it. So yelling "God bless you" wasn't just polite, it was spiritual CPR. If you didn't say it fast enough, boom, your friend's soul. Demon dinner. Some folks took it even further. They wore charms around their necks, stuffed herbs up their noses, and avoided dusty places at all costs. There were even guides on how to block sneezes with pressure points. One sneeze in church could cause a full-blown panic. That's right, one achoo and suddenly everyone's waving crosses like it's an exorcism. So next time someone sneezes and you reflexively say "bless you," just remember, it started as a way to save their soul.